Hi guys, welcome to Allure Yoga TV. My name is Christina and today I'm here to share with you my Christmas gift that I finally received after a couple of weeks. I got the Yoga Pro Wheel! Woo! I'm so excited to finally open the box. I've been waiting for this Yoga Pro Wheel since Christmas Day that my dear husband gave me. All right, here it is. I'm sure you guys have seen me in some of the videos that we have in our channel. As you can tell, I'm a yoga beginner, but with this Yoga Pro Wheel, I'm pretty sure that I will be improving my flexibility, my core, back bends, stretches, a lot of stuff. So let's see what is here. This is the Pro Plus bar. All right, it comes in 3 pieces, most likely. Okay, really good. You see? You can do a couple of exercises with these. You can practice for your back bends. So let's see what else. Pro Plus instructions. Are you ready? Da-da-da-da! My Yoga Pro Wheel. Nice. Look at this. It has a couple of holes. Pretty much you can use your Pro Plus bar and then you can, put it in some of the holes. All right, finally, I have the yoga blocks. I'm gonna show you what is this for. Let me just move this box out of the way so I can show you in detail. These blocks pretty much will help you to prevent the wheel to move around, okay? So it will help you with your practice. And then you have this. How do you use this? Make sure you, remove the end pieces. You put it through. As you can tell, it has an elegant design. We're gonna be posting some videos, including these in my practice. Now that I already opened the box and show you all the pieces of the Yoga Pro Wheel, I'm gonna show you some of the exercises that you can be doing with this amazing tool. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, leave your comment, and subscribe to our channel. Finally! And then you have... ¿Cómo que se llama esto? Ay, se espera.